I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, the easiest place to shop and get all of your needs met with Bitcoin and Lightning transactions. You can head over here. They've got gift cards from Amazon, Walmart, Steam, Uber, Instacart, Airbnb, Apple. The list goes on, but they have you covered. You can be living on a Bitcoin standard like me, and Bitrefill has been a godsend. So head to bitrefill.com and use code BTC Sessions at checkout for discounts. I just kind of want to quickly show what I've been playing with. So some people might be familiar with LN Bits. It's basically like a toolkit that you can play around with different apps and create your own little apps with Lightning. And so you can set up a Cashu wallet and you can fund it with Lightning, a Lightning transaction, and then you can start sending transactions that are done via Chaumian eCash, which is pretty much entirely private and is instant and costs no fees. So like this is an example wallet that I have here. You can fund it with Lightning. You can withdraw with Lightning at any point, and then you can then transact from person to person with eCash. So I've got two wallets here. I've got one on LN Bits and I've got one on this one, which has a fantastic name. It's called Nutstash. And so let's say I wanted to send some eCash. I could go and I can say send eCash and I want to send 100 sats. I then have this token that I can copy and send to somebody. And that person basically goes to their wallet, hits receive, and pastes it in, and then hits receive, and it's now in their wallet. It's instant. It shows up. It's entirely private. There's no like on-chain trace of it. So you're kind of hiding in a crowd. And at any point, if somebody wants to pull out of the mint via a Lightning transaction, you're actually hidden amongst the crowd of everybody in that mint. So there's no indication as to which person actually withdrew.